Good morning, students. Today we will understand students lesson number 5 that's name is broadband, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. In this chapter, students, we will understand three topics: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and broadband. So, first topic Wi-Fi. Students, Wi-Fi means if we have a broadband internet connection, we can use a broadband modem to transmit its signals. Transmit means sending or receiving signals in air that can be received by any mobile device like laptop, tablet, smartphone, etc. So students, Wi-Fi means the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Through Wi-Fi we can connect our internet connection and then we can use. Next thing, how can we connect Wi-Fi? Students, these steps we will follow for connecting Wi-Fi. Number 1, keep the phone in Wi-Fi signal area. First, second step we will follow, open the setting option. Third, touch the Wi-Fi on from the list and open it. Then, students, step number 4, select the name of your Wi-Fi connection to open it. Like through this example we will understand easily. Suppose here we are opening Arvind Singh. We can click on that. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password and then click on the connect button. Is it clear? So according to this, your Wi-Fi will be turned on. And then we can use Wi-Fi facility. Second topic, Bluetooth. Do you know, students, what is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology which allow a user to connect to another portable devices like laptop, tablet and smartphone and enable them to exchange the media files. Means we can transfer our data, files, informations from one device to another device. Devices means like you are using mobile, laptop, smartphone, etc. You can transfer your data from one mobile phone to another mobile phone. Is it clear? Then step, how can we connect Bluetooth? So these steps we will follow, students, for connecting Bluetooth. First, open the setting of your device. Second number, turn on Bluetooth by touching or clicking is button and then open it. Third number, turn on Bluetooth on the other device with which we want to share the media. Means which we want to share the media files. We can turn on. Then number 4, touch the button, search for devices as shown in the button of the screenshot. Next number means step number 5 we will follow. It will show searching and after a while it will show the device name in the list. In this instance you can see Intex Aqua 3G. This is the example. Number 6, touch this device name to open it. Then of Jesse, students, we can touch on this name, our device will be open. Now Bluetooth pairing request screen will appear. Touch on the pair button as well as accept on the other device to which you are connecting. Then number 8, it will show status as pairing in a short while that device name will appear in the paired devices list. Then next step we will follow. Now open the media file in your folder. In case of mobile phone, you can find it in file manager folder, where your file can be accessed in phone storage or SD card. Open it. Is it clear? Next step, now touch and keep hold for 2 or 3 seconds, and just after this the media files show the media menu. Now next step, now touch on the share in the list 12 number. You can select Bluetooth by touching its icon. According to these steps, we will connect Bluetooth and share the information of media file from one computer to another, from one mobile to another, from one device to another devices. Is it clear? Now next topic, students, next topic, wireless broadband. Wireless broadband is very effective for mobile devices like laptop, tablet and PC. It has a small modem known as dongle. Yes, students, a small modem is known as dongle. You can connect this dongle to USB port of your device. Means from in CPU you can connect your USB device, means your dongle, with your USB port. It receives wireless broadband signals very similar to cellular phone signals, and the operator provide high speed internet through dongle. In India, Reliance, Vodafone, Airtel, Tata and Idea are leading wireless broadband service providers. Means these companies are ISP of India. Means India Internet Service Provider. Reliance, Vodafone, Airtel, Tata, Idea, means these companies are wireless, providing the wireless broadband services. To get wireless broadband connection, we need to purchase wireless modem with a connection number like your mobile phone number, its installed CD and user ID with your password. Firstly, we can install by the CD and then we can put user ID and password which provided by the ISP. Next topic, using wireless broadband. How can we use wireless broadband? Number one, these steps we will follow. Firstly, we will see a login screen where you have to enter your ID and password. Means a screen will open on this screen. In this screen, given your ID box, text box and password text box, where we can type the ID and password. Then second step, click on connect button. After a few seconds, our wireless broadband will be connected and internet icon will be enabled on our device. Is it clear? According to this, we can connect, we can use wireless broadband facility. Students, this chapter has been completed. So today's class is over.